we start with the white. On the right you put 2 whites, 1 red, another 1 red on the left, then you crisscross on the red white on the red bead. You pull the fishing line. You should have 4 beads that look like that. Make sure that they look like that. Okay, we continue. Pick a red bead on the right, a white bead on the left, and a red bead on the right, and then you crisscross on the red bead like that. Then you pull. Make sure your art looks like this. Then we continue. You put a red bead on the right, a white bead on the left, and you finish with the red bead on the right, and then you crisscross on the red bead. Then you pull the fishing line. The bead should have something that looks like this. Remember, we are making a thick letter I. I is in the vowels, and it's mostly in a lot of names, so we thought it was wise to make the letter I. So we continue. Just repeat the same step you did previously, and you should have something that looks like this. You continue. Put a red bead on the right, put a white bead on the left, and another white bead on the left, and then you crisscross on the red bead on the right. By doing so, we have made an adjustment. We've made a corner. So if you look keenly, the fishing line has changed the direction from which it was going, so we are going on another direction. So we continue. You pick a white bead on the right, another white bead on the right, red bead on the left, then you crisscross on the red bead like that. And then you pass the fishing line through the next red bead as we are doing. I hope you can see that clearly. You should have something like that. I hope you can see how the fishing line has passed through. So you continue. Pick a white bead on the right, pick a red bead on the left, then you crisscross on the red bead like that, then you continue. You pass the fishing line slowly through the next red bead like that. Should have something that looks like this. Then you continue. For all of you who are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and share this content. So we continue. Should have something that looks like this. Please make sure that your work looks like ours after every step. And also, this is applicable on all other colors, not necessarily red and white. You can use it with any color you wish to blend, depending on the artwork you're creating. So you pick a white bead on the right, a red bead on the left, then you crisscross on the red bead. You should have something that looks like this. And then we are almost there. We're almost finalizing this. You pass the fishing line through the red bead like that. Then you pick a white bead on the left, a white bead on the right, and then you crisscross on either white beads that you prefer. So here we have it. Our letter I is done. So I hope you've been able to make it. It's a very simple letter to make, and see you on the next video. You can also suggest what you'd love to see on the next